Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Ghost Detector game. First, you will need to download and install a Ghost Detector application onto your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, open the app and grant it access to your device's camera, microphone, and other essential sensors. These permissions are crucial for the app to function correctly and begin scanning your surroundings for potential paranormal activity, setting the stage for your exciting investigation. As you slowly move through your chosen environment, the application will actively scan for unusual energy signatures. The radar display on your screen will typically show a calm, green or blue background, indicating normal conditions. When a potential entity is detected, you might see distinct red dots or a shifting pattern appear, often accompanied by changes in EVP or EMP readings, which are usually displayed on the sides of the radar interface. This indicates a possible presence within a 10-foot radius. Once the detector indicates a presence, slowly approach the area, maintaining a respectful distance of several feet. Many applications offer a communication interface, allowing you to type specific questions or select from a list of preset inquiries. The ghost might respond through text on your screen, or you may hear faint, synthesized voices or subtle sound effects. Remember, these interactions are designed for entertainment, creating an immersive and thrilling experience for all players involved. For a truly immersive experience, try playing in quiet, dimly lit spaces, as this can significantly enhance the perceived effects and atmosphere. Using quality headphones can also help you catch subtle audio responses or electronic voice phenomena that might otherwise be missed. Always remember that these applications are primarily for fun and entertainment, simulating a paranormal investigation. Enjoy the thrill of the hunt responsibly and have a spooky good time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.